Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids! Today we learn about the names of 50 household items.
Clock. This is a clock. Table. This is a table. Bed. This is a bed. Chair. This is a chair. Sofa. This is a sofa. Cup. This is a cup. Plate. This is a plate. Spoon. This is a spoon. Fork. This is a fork. Knife. This is a knife. Glass. This is a glass. Bottle. This is a bottle. Lamp. This is a lamp. Fan. This is a fan. Television, TV. This is a television. Refrigerator, fridge. This is a refrigerator. Remote. This is a remote. Microwave. This is a microwave. Stove. This is a stove. Pan. This is a pan. Pot. This is a pot. Broom. This is a broom. Bucket. This is a bucket. Mop. This is a mop. Towel. This is a towel. Mirror. This is a mirror. Window. This is a window. Curtain. This is a curtain. Door. This is a door. Blanket. This is a blanket. Wardrobe. This is a wardrobe. Bookshelf. This is a bookshelf. Drawer. This is a drawer. Notebook. This is a notebook. Book. This is a book. Pen. This is a pen. Bag. This is a bag. Pencil. This is a pencil. Eraser. This is an eraser.